So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Ooh. Hey, it's me, Blippi. And do you know what Halloween is? Yeah, it's that holiday where you go from house to house and go trick-or-treating and get candy. Oh, I love candy. And those houses are all decorated, really spooky. Yeah, with jack-o'-lanterns and ghosts. Hey, why don't you and I draw ghosts today? All right, let me take this black marker and draw a very big curved line. Ooh, and then I'll do some curves at the bottom, just like that. Whoa! And then I'll draw an arm, another curved line. Woo, with 3 fingers on that side, and on this side, with 3 fingers as well. Oh, cool. And I'll draw a circle right there for one eye, and one right there, but I'm gonna fill it in. Whoa. And then I'll draw a circle for the mouth, and it's saying right there, spooky. Whoa! Wow, I love Halloween, and I love you, Ghost. You are so silly. If you want to keep drawing with me, yeah, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye.
Come on, everyone, let's make learning fun. So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Activate Blippi Station! It's time to get up and shout. I wonder what we'll learn about Blippi!
Halloween is the best, Tabs, and I love trick-or-treating too. Hey, look, a haunted house. Whoa, look at all the decorations. So cool. You're right, Tabs. Maybe there are treats inside. I wonder, what's inside a haunted house? Let's find out. Ready, Tabs? Tabs! What? I better go into the haunted house to find Tabs. This should be fun. Hi, it's me, Blippi. I'm looking for my friend Tabs. Have you seen her?
Hi, Blippi. I'm Mr. Pumpkin.
Was that a ghost?
Probably, yeah. I haven't seen Tabs, but you can look for her in this house full of magical and spooky fun.
Great.
Maybe my friend Bones has seen Tabs. He's in the basement. I'd start by taking the stairs.
All right. Whoa, whee!
It turned into a slide!
Mr. Pumpkin? Tabs? Hello? Whoa! Sorry.
Don't worry. It happens all the time to Bones.
Maybe he's seen Tabs. I better sweep him up.
I wouldn't do that if I were you.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Whoa! Whee! Sorry again, Bones. Whoa! Maybe that flying ghost knows where Tabs is. Let's follow it. Woo! Whoa! Hi, witch. Bye, witch. Well, I guess this is a dead end. I wonder where everyone went. Cool! A spinning wall! Whoa! Woohoo!
Congrats, Blippi! You made it all the way through my haunted house. The tricks are over, but now it's time for the treats!
But wait, I still haven't found Tabs. Tabs? You were the ghost the whole time? Well, now I have the answer to my question. What's inside a haunted house? Fun, spooky skeletons, cobwebs, a talking pumpkin, spiders, a witch, and a floating Tabs ghost. Upload answer, Tabs. Thanks for letting us have fun in your house, Mr. Pumpkin. Happy Halloween!
Happy Halloween!
There! All finished! Carve away, Tabs!
That's very nice.
Whoa! Whoopsie! Hey, it's It's me, Blippi. And that's... Tabs!
I'm Peter.
That was a big sigh, Peter. Is something wrong?
Yeah, I'm a little sad.
Why are you sad? It's Halloween. I think a spider would love Halloween.
Oh yeah, it's my favorite holiday. But no one ever invites me to their parties because I'm too scary.
That's a great idea, Tabs. We'll throw Peter a Halloween party and invite all of our Halloweeny friends to meet him.
Really? For me? Thank you!
I wonder, how do you throw the best Halloween party?
Ooh, I know. I'm a Halloween expert. First, we need spooky decorations to set the mood, and I know spooky.
Yeah!
You know what else we need? Halloween snacks for everyone.
How about worms? Gummy worms!
Oh, don't forget the scary cupcakes.
And a finishing spooky touch, Halloween fruit punch.
Now we just need Halloween costumes. I'm going as a pirate. Yar!
I'm a construction worker. Nice avocado costume, Tabs. Dressing up is so much fun. Ooh, our guests! Right on time!
Oh, goody! Oh, goody! Wait a minute. Just one guest?
Yeah!
Hello!
Don't mind if I do. This is the best Halloween party ever.
When ghosts get really eerie and pumpkins very cheery, witches do entrance and black cats start to dance. Spiders spin their webs and skeletons lose their heads. It's the scariest time you've ever seen. Must be Halloween.
My very first Halloween party. And I got to make so many new friends.
And now I have the answer to my question. How do you throw the best Halloween party? To throw the best Halloween party, you need fun decorations, yummy snacks and treats, a good costume, and great friends. Upload answer tabs.
Thanks so much for a fun party, Blippi.
You're welcome, Peter. Woo!